Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. Before we get on with this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications to not miss out on any video that I'm posting on English lessons. So, in today's lesson, we are going to be learning the months of the year. First of all, how many months do we have in a year? Yes, that's right. We have 12 months in a year. So, let's take a look. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now that you know all the pronunciations to the months, comment down below which month is your favorite month of the year. For example, my favorite month is actually January because in January in Turkey it's winter. So winter is my favorite season, so I choose January and also February. When were you born? When were you born? You can comment down below your birth date. I was born in July, and in July the season is summer. Now that you learned all the months, you can now tell when were you born and which month is your favorite month of the year. Okay, so guys, as you all know, last week I have posted a video of the days of the week and I hope you have watched that. So I'm gonna put the link down below to that video so you can also watch that as well. And if you also have any questions, please do not hesitate, for real, because I'll be waiting for your questions if you have any, and I'll be happy to help you. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to give big thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.